Now, in question number 6 of tab 3, a triangle is attached with a rectangle, ABE triangle, and BCDE is a rectangle. Three sides of a triangle is 5, one side is given 5 by 2 centimeter, second side 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, and third side 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. And one side of a rectangle is 7 by 6 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC, rectangle BCDE, and also we have to find which perimeter is greater. So I am going to first to find perimeter of triangle ABE. We know that sum of all sides of a geometrical figure is called perimeter of the figure. So perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to AB plus BE plus AE, and the length of three sides are given. So we write 5 by 2 plus 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 3 by 5. Solving 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is equal to 20, will be 20 centimeter. Dividing 20 by the denominators of the fractions and multiplying it by numerator, we have 50 plus 55 72, that is 177 by 20. Dividing by 20, we have 17 by 20. Hence the perimeter of triangle ABE, hence the perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. Answer. Now, in question number B of 6, the rectangle BCDE, perimeter of rectangle BCDE. I am going to solve perimeter of rectangle BCDE is equal to BC plus CD plus DE, BC plus CD plus DE plus BE. Using the formula, perimeter of rectangle is equal to, you can solve it using the formula, and another method is the sum of all sides. Adding all the sides of rectangle, we find the perimeter of rectangle. BC plus CD plus DE plus BC plus CD plus DE plus BE is equal to 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6 plus BC 7 by 6 plus CD 2 whole 3 by 4 plus DE 7 by 6 plus BE is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4. Solving 7 by 6 plus 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6 plus 11 by 4. LCM of 6, 4, 6, 4. LCM of 6, 4, 6, 4 is equal to 2 dividing by 2 is equal to 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 बराबर 12. LCM of 6, 4, 6, 4 is equal to 12. Now we divide LCM by the denominators of the given fraction. 6 2 are 12, 2 7 are 14 plus 33 plus 14 plus 33 is equal to 96 by 12, 94 by 12. 4 3 7 3 10 4 14 3 1 4 1 5 3 8 1 9. 94 by 12 is equal to 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. To find the perimeter of rectangle BCDE, we add the all sides of rectangle BCD. BC बराबर DE बराबर 7 by 6, CD बराबर BE बराबर 2 3 by 4 plus BDE is given 7 by 6 and BE is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4. Adding all these, we get the perimeter of rectangle BCD is equal to 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Now, in C number, whose perimeter is greater? Whose perimeter is greater? Here perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 177 by 20 centimeter, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 47 by 6 centimeter. To find whose perimeter is greater, we 177 by 20, 47 by 6. We multiply 177 into 6. 177 by 20, 47 by 6. 47 by 6 is equal to 42 4 centimeter, and 47 into 20 is equal to 9. Here we see that 1062 1062 is greater than 1062 is greater than 940. So perimeter of triangle is greater than the rectangle BCD. Here 1062 is greater than 940, hence perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Again, I am going to clear. We are given perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 177 by 20 centimeter, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 47 by 6 centimeter. 47 by 6 centimeter. Comparing both perimeters, we multiply 177 by 6, we have 1062, and 47 by 20, after multiplication 940 centimeter. Comparing both, we see that 162 is greater than 940, hence perimeter of triangle ABC is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Now, in next class, you will at first solve the examples of the next exercise, and after that you can start next exercise 2.2. Thank you.
And you can